name is Siena, and today I am going to be doing a how-to video on how to make a experimental volcano. So yeah, let's get started. First, what you're going to need is clay, right here, a pan, either paper or styrofoam bowl, scissors, aluminum foil. I just have two because this one's about to run out. Vinegar, I'm using white, baking soda, food dye, red food dye, it has to be red, and a cup or a bowl, just any regular one. So yeah, let's get started. First, what you're going to need to do is cover this pan in aluminum foil. So, yeah. Like this. So this is just for a cover, so that when the lava or stuff comes out, that it doesn't get on like a table or it doesn't get messy. Okay. Now you're just gonna poke a hole with the scissors in the foil cup, big enough so you can pour stuff in it, and big enough and small enough that it doesn't cover up the whole thing. So voila. Then you're going to cover this in aluminum foil. But you have to leave the hole in. Like so. Okay, now you're just going to cover that with clay. So this might take a while, but... So when you're done making your clay volcano covered up with clay, it should look something like this. Okay, so we're going to set this off to the side for a second. We're going to take this cup. So you're just going to pour some white vinegar, not all of it, into your cup. I'm just filling it up like a little under halfway. Then, to make it red for the lava, you are just going to add some drops of red food dye. There. Right there. Okay. Then, I just got a spoon, just in the volcano, pour a couple spoonfuls of baking powder in.
Soda.
Baking soda, sorry. This might be a little messy, just so you know. It's okay. Then, this is the last step, you are going to gradually pour in the vinegar. And this is how you make as you can see, a very bubbly,
Erupting.
Experimental volcano.
Erupting.